Here's how to create multiple YouTube channels with one YouTube account. So I'm on YouTube right here, and in the upper right, I have my account. Now, when you first click on this, you're going to see YouTube Studio, or you're going to see create a channel, and you can create that first channel if you haven't already. But after you have that first channel, there's no real clear way to create another channel with this same email. What you need to do is actually go to your settings down here at the very bottom. And once you're inside of your settings and you've clicked on account, you're going to see down here that you have create a new channel right here. And so when we click on create a new channel, we can actually create another channel under this same account. So in this case, I'm going to say this is PNB 2, and the handle is going to be pixel and bracket 2. And then I can create the channel just by clicking on create channel. It's that easy. You can also select a picture here if you want a profile picture, but once you have that channel, you can go in and just edit that channel. Now, you won't have any content on it, so you're not going to see anything, but to switch between channels, you click on the drop down up here and you go to switch account. And what that does is you can see here that I have channels underneath this one email. So I've got multiple channels now, and if you don't see them all, you can actually click view all channels. But once you switch to that channel, you're going to be able to go to that channel's YouTube Studio to be able to manage that channel's content. And if it's your first time, you're going to see a lot of pop-ups, but your channel's content is going to be in there. And then when you're creating content and uploading videos, you're uploading to whatever channel you're currently logged into. And you can manage up to 100 channels on one email. So really, if you want to have multiple channels on YouTube, you can pretty much just have one email and manage all those channels and then switch between accounts. Be careful of one thing though, and that's right next to switch account is sign out. And that is the worst button to click. You click that button, all of a sudden you're signed out of all your channels. So I wish they moved that to somewhere else, but it's right next to switch account. So every time you're switching account, make sure you really click that, and then you're able to switch between different emails and different channels. And that's how you can add another channel on YouTube and add multiple channels to one email. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.